Hi everyone, we're in Hyderabad, and Josh, why did we come to Hyderabad?
The biryani.
We came here just to eat biryani, and we just got dropped off by our Ola driver, and now we're looking for the restaurant for biryani. So here we go. Alright, we are on the streets of Hyderabad. And this is what it looks like. Lots of traffic. Lots of honking. And we have no idea if we're at the right place. It should be here on the street. Are we across the street? Biryani Wala and Company is what we're looking for. Here we go, we found it. Biryani Wala and Company, the pride of Hyderabad. Here we go. Alright, so we made it to our dinner place. And you can hear the honking. I just want to show you how they're grilling the chicken here. See all the spices and the fat just dripping off. And we've got a full fired stove here. Some more grilling happening over there. So these are the accompaniments to biryani. We got fresh onions, limes, and this is, I think it's called salan, which is a gravy that goes over the biryani, and then raita, which is a yogurt sauce. We are eagerly awaiting our mutton biryani and Josh's favorite dish, chicken lababdar.
Yummy.
Okay, taste test for us. So we're comparing this to the chicken morg lababdar that we had in Sri Lanka. We're gonna see if it's better, the same, or not as good.
It's very good. It's not as good.
We'll have to go back to Norelia, Sri Lanka, to the Grand Indian Hotel to get the best chicken lababdar in the world. All right, folks. All right, and our biryani has finally come. And this is the mutton biryani. Wow. A lot of rice. Okay. I guess the mutton's at the bottom. This is going to be good dinner for 2 meals. Yeah, take it out. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, there we go. Got my portion. What you do is you sprinkle some lime juice on top. And this helps to balance the oiliness of the dish. And then the raita helps to balance the spiciness of the dish. And then this is my favorite sauce here. We're very excited. Just mix it all in. And here we go.
It's pretty good. A little strong in the cinnamon, but it's pretty
Yeah, I could smell the cinnamon too.
good. Yeah.
This is the most cinnamony biryani we've had. I think we've had biryani 4 times this week.
Which is every day.
Yeah, this is every day we've been in Hyderabad. But the flavor is really good.
Yeah, it doesn't taste overly cinnamon.
Yeah. Josh doesn't like cinnamon, so if he approves, then it's pretty good. All right. Okay, so we got double ka meetha, which is a kind of a bread pudding made with cardamom and saffron. Josh's opinion is it's too sweet. Like a traditional Indian dessert. Over sugared.
No, it's pretty good.
It's good.
No cinnamon, so it's definitely good.
All right. Well, it's not over sugared. Very good. Almost tastes like cream of wheat.
Okay.
Not very heavy on the spices, huh?
Very good.
And Josh normally doesn't like sweet, so it must be good.
If you found this video helpful or insightful, please like, subscribe, and click that bell for notification of our next video. Also, comment below to share your thoughts.
Toodles!